When searching for a competent garage door repair company, you may find it difficult to assess all of them. They will all have the ability to do garage door installations and repairs, and there will be some that will have very affordable prices. Depending upon where you are located, you may have multiple companies, all of which can provide comparable services. If you want to work with the best company, however, then you may want to consider working with my business that offers the best services in this community. This is why you can trust the professionals at Cudlux Garage Door Repair, Highland Park Hill. If you want to get the best garage door repair and installation services,